to Collegetown Court at studio apartment number 309. We have this model available on floors 3, 4, and 5. We enter into the kitchen. We have a refrigerator, microwave, sink, cabinets, drawer, and stove and oven. In the main portion of the room, we are furnished as usual with a dining set, desk and chair, a bookshelf, and a dresser. It's a full-size bed. You see the closet tucked over here. All of these apartments do have an air conditioner. You can see we're facing to the west. It's a nice sunny afternoon today. Get a little peek outside. Collegetown Court features studio, 1-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, and 5-bedroom units. Let's take a look at the bathroom over here. In the bathroom we have the tub shower, toilet, vanity, and a medicine cabinet. So that's a look at a Collegetown Court studio apartment number 309.